What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech with K. Today, I want to introduce to you the Android System Beta 2 on Google Pixel. So, I have four features that I want to introduce to you. The first feature is adaptive vibration and haptics. So, we head straight to the settings. Go to settings, and then you search for haptics. So, you tap on vibration and haptics. So, you go straight to adaptive vibration. Now, this feature here, when it's turned off, it means that whenever you are at loud places, or you are in the marketplace or in church, or where they are playing loud music, the vibration won't increase. Okay, it will be the normal vibration. So you not get notified when it's in your pocket. But when you turn it on, and then when you are at loud places or marketplace or even in a church or where they play loud music, the vibration will increase, okay, due to the environment that you are in. The environment that you are in, the vibration will increase so that it will notify you that there is a call or there is a notification. So that's it for the vibration. Now we move on to haptics. So at the bottom here, we have interactive haptics. Now, when you reduce the touch feedback, it means that whenever you type or whenever you even touch on the screen to click on any app that you have downloaded, it will give you a slight vibration, a 1 second vibration. Okay, so when you reduce it like this, it means you will not feel any vibration. But when you increase it, you have a feeling of the haptics. That's the slight vibration within a 1 second whenever you tap on anything on the screen. So this is for the vibration and haptics. Now we move on to the second feature, which is redefined volume and brightness slider. So we have the volume here on the side. At first, the volume was very, very thin. It was very, very thin. But now they have been able to add some color to it. So you have a feel of this UI. Now you tap the bottom three dots here, and then you have an overview of the volume slider. You have the media slider, the call, the ring, the notification, and the alarm. So this is for the volume slider. Now you move on to the notification. So that's where you find the brightness slider. So this is the brightness over here. And then when you increase the brightness, it will show you the background, as in which app you have opened before you went to touch the brightness slider. So this is it for the new feature. Next, we have the quick panel settings. We have the quick panel settings. Quick panel settings, you drag from the top notification, and then you tap on this pencil mark down here, and then it opens the quick panel for you. Now, in this quick panel, at first you cannot adjust it, but now you can tap on it and then readjust it. Open it to your specification, to your choice of design. So I have Bluetooth here. I can reopen and then make it small. I have device mode here. I can reopen and make it small. Okay. I have dark mode here. I can reopen, make it small, reopen, make it small, adjust it in my own preferred way. So this is for the quick panel settings. So you go back, and then the fourth feature is the wallpaper customization. Wallpaper customization. So wallpaper customization, you head straight to settings, you come to wallpaper and style. Now I've selected this wallpaper already. So you go to the effects. When you go to the effects, you can select any of the shapes here if you want these shapes to be on your wallpaper. You can select any of the shapes and then choose any of the colors of your choice. And then after that, you tap on the weather. Now we are in the raining season here in this our country, Ghana. So you go to rain. When you tap on rain, you will see some droplets on the screen. So you can increase the rain intensity, okay, for it to be strong. All right. And then we do have cinematic. Cinematic is when you tap on the 3D and then the image will extrude whenever you open or you press on the power button of your screen, and then whenever you see your wallpaper, the image will extrude for you to see. So these are the features for the wallpaper and live effects. Okay, so next you go to apply it on lock screen and home screen, then you go to apply, then you can go to back, and then that's it. They've also changed the storage bar. So this storage bar wasn't like that in the previous Android 15. So they've changed the storage bar as well. Okay. Now, so far using the Android 16 beta 2, I have seen much improved system stability. Okay. As in when you are using Android 15, it will tell you that system failure or the system UI failed. So kindly reboot your system or kindly restart your system. Okay. With this Android 16, I have experienced an improved system stability. Okay. So we are hoping for more. We're hoping for more advanced features that they can add to the Android 16. They have not finally released it yet. It will be released in either September or October, and also be released to the other Android phones like the Samsung and then the Oppo and the MUI and then the Nothing phones and etc. So guys, thank you very much and peace out.